Forgot laptop login password? Have you ever tried to log into your laptop and realized you forgot your password? It usually happens due to frequent password changes or long periods without using the laptop. The safest solution is to contact your IT support team or system administrator. IT support can safely reset your password without data loss. As an IT support administrator, one of the most common issues we face is users forgetting their laptop login passwords. When a user forgets their password, the most important thing is not to panic or try random passwords. Multiple wrong attempts can lock the account and create security risks.
So, IT admins, how can we reset the Windows password? There is a cool tool called Hiren Boot CD, which is a live operating system. You can easily create a bootable pen drive using it. Reset the password. To create the bootable pen drive, you will need another computer. First, go to the website hirenbootcd.org and open the download tab. Scroll down, click the file name and the download will start. After downloading the ISO file, you need to create a bootable pen drive. Boot from this operating system. Next, go to rufus.ie and download Rufus. I am using the portable version. Plug your pen drive and open Rufus. Make sure the pen drive is detected. Then browse and select the ISO file you downloaded from the Hiren Boot CD org website. Select the partition scheme based on the target computer boot mode, either legacy or UEFI. Then click Start. Click OK on both dialog box appear to begin the process. It may take few minutes to prepare the pen drive. Once the process is completed, safely remove the pen drive. Insert into the laptop or desktop where you need to reset the password and boot the system from the pen drive. It will take few minutes to boot from the pen drive. After the booting, go to the Start menu, All Programs, Security, Password, NT Password Editor. You will now see the file path where Windows stores user account details and password. Open the path and select the SAM file. Select the user accounts for which you want to reset the password and change the password. Enter the new password. Click OK, save changes and exit the tool. Finally, restart your laptop or PC and remove the pen drive. After booting normally, log in using the new password. That's it. Now you can give the PC or laptop to user. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.